Here it is, day 3 of our ice storm. We're getting some rain now, so things are really starting to melt. And surprisingly, the electric just now went off, so that means somewhere up the road some power lines were knocked down by branches, so it's going to be a while before they get that all back on. We're on a co-op here in southeast Missouri, so no big deal. Why no big deal? Because we're prepared, right? I can still make tea on the wood stove. I can still cook. We even have plenty of water, okay? Don't let a man run out of tea now. Well, gotta get some chores done. First thing is jump on the four-wheeler and go around and see where all these icicles are about to fall. One of the most dangerous things about ice storms, isn't it? This ice is so thick, we probably got about a ½ inch of ice, and now that it's raining and a little bit warm over freezing temps, it's just making everything just difficult and slushy. I mean, even the chicken coop is weighted down, so trying to get that off is not easy. Babies. And of course, with all this rain, it's not helping with this video. Everything's wet. Even my lens. Thought I'd take a quick look at our pond here. It's just above freezing, so oh my goodness. We can say goodbye to that cedar tree. That's okay, it's a bunch of wild peaches here. I've been slowly having hubby trim that up. Some wild blackberries. Ooh. The bad part is you get near a tree and you might get stabbed by some ice or broken branches. Oh goodness, that really did break that. Hubby was not wrong. Either it's going to get a hard trimming, or if I know him, he's going to take that completely down. It sure is pretty though. Ooh, I got some persimmon trees that are laying almost across the way. I wonder if it got cold enough to make a good year for blackberries. I'm not sure. Fog's coming in. It's still chilly, wet, drizzling, but at least no more ice. Alright, it's finally the end of the third day of the ice storm, things are trying to melt, but I think that's a little bit more dangerous than when the ice was coming down. But all in all, my family, my farm animals are all doing fine. And I hope things are going well your way if you're also in this ice storm. And overall, you know, I'm just glad that we were prepared, even if it would have went a lot longer. We have a wood stove for heat and for cooking. We have a good sized pantry of food, frozen and not frozen, and some canned, and, you know, and a lot of water. So we would have been just fine. Oil lamps, we used that today. Emergency equipment, so we're doing good. So I will talk with you guys later. I'm gonna go make us some supper and then go find a good movie to watch. Happy prepping.